Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Shopify to Zendrop at 2026. So actually the first step is to prepare your accounts. So you will need to make sure that you have an active Shopify store and Zendrop account. If you don't have one, you can sign up at zendrop.com by going with a try for free. Okay, so after clicking on that option, you will be forwarded directly to your Shopify store. Okay, so right here you will need just to select a credit or debit card. You can even add another card by going with that option, or you can go with your PayPal. Okay, so as you can see right here, you will be charged based on how you use this app to a maximum of 79 USD per 30 days. So per month. Okay, and after adding the payments method, you will need to go with approve. All right, or you can do it with another way. So actually you can go with settings on your Shopify, and after that go with apps right here. Right, so right now you will need to go and click on Shopify app store, and after that you will need to look for Zendrop by typing it on the search bar. Okay, so that's the app. Just go ahead and click on install. You will find that just right here. I already have it, so I don't have install option. For you, you can see it just from here. So once you click on it, you will be forwarded to this page, right? And all you need to do is to add your credit or debit card and then click on approve. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.